So here's an update on my little birdie nest here on my lamp post. And as you can see, concrete is below, and it's a pretty high drop. There used to be 3. I only see 2 now, unfortunately. This guy here is getting really gutsy, and I'm afraid of him taking a plunge. And that would be devastating if I saw him not make it. But they've gotten a lot bigger within, I would say it's only been a week. And that's my bird nest, guys. Well, not mine, it's Mother Nature's, and the mom is doing a good job bringing the food back and forth to the babies. My concern is that one up there that's on the ledge of the nest. I'm afraid he is going to try to jump. He's right on the edge there, so alright, and that's it. I'm gonna go so I don't bother them. I just wanted to do a quick video update and check them out. If anybody knows anything about birds, go ahead and leave me a comment, because I've never experienced anything like this before, so this is new to me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks, everyone. Bye.